Hello everybody, I'm Angelo Tomaselli with Rodent Pest Technologies. I wanted to take this first moment to thank the federal and state officials for doing all they can to help slow and stop the spread of the COVID-19 virus. I want to thank the medical professionals, the doctors, the nurses, the healthcare workers, and essential services that are being performed by people every day. They're on the front lines and they're trying to protect themselves, their families, while also helping to slow the curve. Here at Rodent Pest Technologies, we're also doing our part. Every day, PPE is a part of what we do. Our field staff is trained with it annually, and they use it in their everyday service performed for you and your communities. But in the office, we are now wearing personal protective equipment, and we're also doing split shifts while also having some other workers work from home so that we're practicing social distancing. We're also doing disinfecting services twice a day in our office. We thank you for the opportunity to serve you. And that is the reason why this video is being made, is because on April 3rd, the Department of Pesticide Regulation did say that pest control as an essential service can provide and perform sanitation services for the COVID-19 virus. We have products that we can use to perform that service. But there are many things that this product can and can't do, and it has limitations. It's not a 100% fix-all product. And so we wanted to answer those questions. We want to let you know we are providing those services for our current clients at this moment because of the difficulty in obtaining the product itself because of the high demand. So if you have any questions or you'd like to use this product in your facilities before they reopen to help minimize and reduce the risk to your residents when you open up your gymnasiums, your pool houses, your bathrooms, your tot lots, we can do those things and provide that service for you, but we'd like to answer your questions. As always, we want to make sure that you understand the service that you're getting and the value it can be provided so that you can answer questions to your homeowners when they ask you. So please feel free to reach out to us at 1-888-583-9717. And now that I kind of got the business end of this message out, I'd like to address you guys personally. Over the past couple weeks, I've spoken to plenty of property managers who are having a tough time, to the board members and homeowners. We're all facing tough times right now. I know for the managers, working from home is not as easy as picking up your laptop and going home and logging in. There are challenges that come with working remotely and still trying to care for your family and be safe and practice the social distancing and other things that we've been told to help minimize and slow the curve. And I just wanted to let you know that we're all in this together. It's a tough time and we may feel isolated and alone because that's what we're doing to help slow the curve, but just hang in there. I just wanted to encourage you that, we're getting through this. We have a little bit more time left, and hopefully we look on the other side of this and we can all be thankful for what we've got. So just wanted to let you guys know, we appreciate you. Call us with any questions. Call us if you just need to chat and talk to a live person. That's what we're here to do. It's not just here to provide services, but we've known many of you for many, many years, and we appreciate the opportunities you've given us. We're grateful and thankful, and we will continue to not only do our best, but do our part to slow the curve and help you get through it and answer any questions you have. Thank you again. Have a good day. Be safe, and God bless.